Roar.
Yeah, that was fun.
I know. Look at what we got.
I know.
We can give out the candy.
No.
Yes, we can.
I want to eat it.
Candy.
But I want to eat it.
But we.
I got the candy. I want to eat it.
But yes, I said so. We need to give it out. It helps your community. We need to give it out.
I want to eat it.
We need to give it out.
Why?
Because I said so. Giving out is good. Helping the community. I got an idea.
What?
How about we give out the candy and then go trick-or-treating later?
All right.
You'll do it?
Yeah.
Oh my, look at you, scary little trick-or-treaters. Let me get some candy for you.
No, we have candy for you.
Candy for me?
For you.